This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use MacBook for beginner. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When you use Windows laptop all your life and are considering switching to MacBook Air or Pro, this MacBook Beginner Guide in this video. In this comprehensive Mac Beginner's Guide, I will provide helpful tips and walk through the essential, helping you from setting up your MacBook and navigating macOS effortlessly. So, when you have new MacBook, you can get started with your Mac. You can make your own desktop. How to do it? Like you can change your wallpaper, you can set up screensaver for your desktop. So how to do it? So you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. To set up your display, you can go to desktop and screensaver. There is an option to customize to set your wallpaper on your MacBook. You can see in here there's so much option picture that you can use on your MacBook. From here, you can choose for the picture that you want to set as your wallpaper desktop on your MacBook. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one, I think. Now, you can also, if you want to change with your own picture to set up as your desktop background, you can choose on photos in here. You can choose from your picture folder and you can just choose for the picture that you want to use as your wallpaper as your desktop, like this one or this one or this one. But I will just choose from this, from wallpaper, from the MacBook that gives you this one. Now, after you finish set up your wallpaper, you can set up like your screensaver still on the desktop section and screensaver. You can from desktop you can go to screensaver in here. You can choose, you can use random screensaver or you can just choose like this one floating, flit up, or this one hello. As you can see, screensaver option, click on screensaver option. Here you can choose the spectrum or minimal or soft tones for your screensaver. So simple, right? Now, after that, we can go back to our system preferences main menu. There is an option general. You can just click on that. In here, you can set up your appearance like if you want to use dark mode on your MacBook, or you want to use light mode, or you want to use the auto, so when it's time turns to night your MacBook will be on the dark mode. I will just choose on light. You can also change for the accent color in here, like the UI color for your macOS. There's the blue, pink, red, orange, and yellow and green. You can custom or you can just use for the accent color for the multicolor accent color. For the example, I will just choose on multicolor. And you can choose for the highlight color on your MacBook. You can use accent color or green or red. Maybe I will choose on red. On the sidebar icon size, you can also change from small. By default, it's set to small, but if you want to make it bigger, you can just choose on large or you can choose on medium. And in here on the general, you can see, you can also change for your default browser. If you use, by default, it's set to Safari, but if you want to change it to Google Chrome because you prefer Google Chrome as your default web browser, you can just change to Google Chrome. Now we can go back to our main menu system preferences. On the dock and menu bar. If you prefer, you want to make your dock and you want to make your MacBook screen full on the full screen, and here on the dock and menu bar you can set up, you can hide this dock. So this one is dock, it's called dock. There is an option automatically hide and show the dock. You can just click on that. So now you have full screen MacBook on your MacBook. And if you want to open the dock, you can just slide your cursor to here. And here you can change, you can manage your dock size. If you want to make your dock smaller, you can just set up in here. You can adjust like this to make your dock smaller or bigger. And you can also move the dock position. If you want to move your dock to left, you can just choose on left, or you can just choose on right, but by default your dock will be on the bottom. You can also change for the minimize window using effects like this one. Here's the scale effect, and if the genie effect, it will turn out like this. So cool, right? So here you can manage your dock and menu bar on your MacBook. You can also manage your Wi-Fi, AirDrop, Bluetooth, and other accessibility on your MacBook in here. We can go back. Now, you can go to accessibility. In here, you can manage your accessibility like the for your display. If you want to invert color on your MacBook, or you want to reduce motion on your MacBook, you want to increase contrast, you can set up in here on your MacBook. And for the audio in here, and there is an option for the pointer control in here. You can, if you want to make the double click speed faster on your MacBook, you can just adjust in here. And also for the spring loading delay, you want to make it shorter or longer. And if you go to alternate control method in here on MacBook, you can use the head pointer. So you can point, you can move your pointer using your head. And also in here, you can enable the switch control on your MacBook with this menu. So simple, right? So that is the basic settings on your MacBook that you can try on your new MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to set up your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.